And it's time now for Guiding Your Home Financing Journey with John Schwab. Join John as he addresses common concerns and questions regarding financing for the purchase or refinance of a home. John Schwab is a senior loan officer for First Centennial Mortgage in Aurora with over 20 years in the industry. For more information, visit johnschwabmortgages.com. John, good morning. How are things going?
Real good, Mike. Thank you. I hope everything is going well for everybody out there as well. So, what is going on in the market this week? As the listeners have been listening each week, they know things have been changing rapidly. And what I wanted to talk about this week was something I haven't seen in a very, very, very long time. The 30-year, the 25-year, and the 20-year fixed are all trading at similar rates and APRs. And that tells me that we are pretty much on the bottom, as nowhere else to go, so everything is just kind of squishing together. Again, I am not a broker, so you're going to get the lowest rate that's out there, and I get real-time rates, and these rates change about every 8 minutes. So if you are looking for the bottom, I am your source to call and get that. There is kind of an interesting thing that's going out there. Some of the online ones will pad that rate a little bit to cover themselves just because of the changes, and I don't want to do that to you. I want to, get you the very, very, very bottom that is out there. If you're listening to the media to try to decide what a good time to refinance or something, it's really hard because the media doesn't give you real time. They give you outdated information, and with the market changing and updated every 8 minutes, it's really hard for them to do. But today I wanted to talk about what a lot of my customers are taking advantage of. Those that have gotten into a 30-year fix, let's say 2 years ago, they purchased a house and they're not sure what's going on. There's a couple things out there that are really kind of interesting. If you go to a 25-year fixed, what's going to happen is that not only you'll probably save on average, from what I'm seeing from my customers, let's say you have a loan amount right around $175, you're going to save maybe about $150 a month, plus you're not starting over and you're shortening the term of it. And so I look at it and say, well, if you're not doing anything yet, why not? Because if you are shortening your term, and if the bank were to give you a check of $150 a month and knock on your door and say, here's $150 and I'm going to shorten your term, are you going to tell them, well, no, thank you, I'm waiting to save $175 a month, or I want to save $200 a month, but thank you anyway? No, you'd probably take that check and cash it, and that's what I'm trying to do for you. So that's one of the things that you have out there. And then other people, it's just the fear of, it's kind of the fear of the, do I qualify now, or I've been through a bad experience? Well, underwriting guidelines are changing too. They change about every 90 days. So if you were told no before, you may qualify now. And then lastly out there, those who are struggling a little bit, I just wanted to point out in close to the 25 years I've been doing this now, very rarely have I seen the banks want to take your house in a foreclosure. There are so many programs out there to benefit you. And a couple of the people who may have gone with the shorter terms in the past and lost their jobs, well, the lender will just flip you back to a 30. And they've got so many programs out there to help you. And I'd be happy to discuss some of these with you. If you have any questions, that's what I do. I'm going to guide you through some of your situations. Not everybody is the same. And you can take my years of knowledge and kind of pick my brain with it, and I'm happy to help you with that.
Yeah, and John's the guy that normally, of course, under perfect circumstances would love to meet with you face-to-face, but these times are different. So John's phone number is always something that you can count on to get a hold of John throughout the day, 630-532-3199. And you heard John say, when things are changing every 8 minutes, you need a guy that's on top of that and can get you the most current info, and that is indeed John. Guiding Your Home Financing Journey, brought to you by John Schwab of First Centennial Mortgage in Aurora. For more information about financing a home, purchase, or refinance, visit johnschwabmortgages.com. John Schwab, NMLS number 223945 for Centennial Mortgage in Aurora, Equal Housing Opportunity. NMLS number 132763, Illinois Residential Mortgage Licensee number MB0004239. John, have a good week. We'll see you next time.
Thank you, everybody. Bye now.